My name is Sofyan. Today I'm going to teach you how to do TOEFL test in easy ways. There are some tips, but today my focus is on noun clause connectors and noun clause connectors as subject. Let me start from noun clause connectors. It has the formula. It consists of subject, verb, noun clause connectors, followed by subject, and the last followed by verb. Let me give you example. The manager asks him where he lives. The manager is subject. Ask is verb. Where is the NCC or noun clause connector? You see here? What is it? Yes, where. It is where. After that, it has subject and verb. So, this is noun clause connectors. Pay attention. There are some noun clause connectors that you must keep in your mind. What are they? They are what, when, why, how, whether, if, and that. Okay, let's come to the example for this formula. Number 1. The citizen worry about blah 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 is doing. Please answer. Which one is correct? A, B, C, or D? If you pay attention very carefully to the formula of noun clause connector, I think you can guess what's the correct one. Let me analyze with you. The citizen is subject, worry, verb. After verb, blah 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 here is, yes, NCC. Now, you know what miss here, and you know what need to be filled here. Among A, B, C, D, what is the best answer? Only NCC, okay? Yes, correct. The correct answer is C. What is the NCC? Noun clause connector. A, B, and D are incorrect. Okay? Let's compare with noun clause connectors as subject. It has the formula just like noun clause connector, but the difference is between noun clause connector. In the formula, only followed by verb after NCC here. And you see here, that's the difference. Okay, you got it? Now, let's see the example. She saw what was in the closet. See, subject. Saw, verb. Okay, what is it? It is NCCS, noun clause connector as subject. After that, verb. Verb. That's the difference between noun clause connector as subject and noun clause connector as noun. You see the difference? Easy, right? It is very easy. Okay, you must pay attention also. What words, what connector are in noun clause connector as subject? There are only three. They are who, what, and when. So, very easy. There are only three. Okay, let me give you example. The company was prepared for blah 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 happen with the economy. Okay, what means here? Let us analyze together. The company, what is the company? It is subject. Was prepared, verb. You see the formula? What follow after verb? Yes, it is must follow NCCS. Okay. Now try to look at the multiple choice, which is 1 NCCS. A, it. Of course, it is incorrect. B, the problem. Incorrect too. C, what? NCCS. Yes. D, could be yes. But you must pay attention. In noun clause connector as subject, they are only who, what, and when. Yeah, who, what, and when. It could be the answer, but the best answer for this is C. Because when normally followed by subject and verb, just like in noun clause connector. Okay? To be more clear, to see the difference between noun clause connector and noun clause connector as subject, let me give you some tests. Here, there are two numbers to determine which is NCC, which is NCCS. Number 1. Today, the true story of blah blah blah, a little bighorn, remains a mystery. Let's analyze first before choosing the correct answer. The true story today is adverb. Yeah. The true story is subject. It is subject, and then here little bighorn. It is also subject. Okay, and remains is the verb. Okay, what miss here? Of course, it miss connector, but you see the multiple choice. Which one has the connectors? A, of course, incorrect. It has no connector because it needs connector here. B, incorrect. Now the rest, C and D, let's keep before we choose C or D. Okay? C or D? Yes, it is correct. C. It is incorrect. What happening? Because incorrect grammar. It cannot follow verb in after connector. It is incorrect. Incorrect structure. So the best answer is C. Next, for number 2. Early in the 18th century, Halley accurately predicted when blah 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 of 1682 would return. What missed here and what need to be filled here? It has connector. Yeah? Let's focus here because it has connector. We focus here what to fill here, NCC or NCCS. After blah blah blah, it has verb here. So, what needs here? Of course, it needs subject here. Among the multiple choice, which one is subject and the correct one? A, B, C or D? Of course, the best answer is A. It is incorrect because it consists verb and subject. So it is incorrect. C, also incorrect. Subject and verb. Just like D, it is incorrect too because it has verb and it has subject. So the best choice is A. Okay, I think that's all. I hope you understand what I described. Thank you.